that is really what brand building is about. And then after you do that, like making sure that you have a visual representation and that visual representation is consistent throughout. And that's where the colors, the logo, they're aligned. So I'm gonna give you an example that I get a lot from travel advisors is that I want a luxury travel business. But then when I look at their logo, it's like they're using comic font. They're using comic pictures, right? It's clip art. It's not luxurious. Like the visual representation of the business is not luxurious looking. So you want to have visual continuity. You want it to look according to the feeling that you want to invoke about your brand. One of the things that was super important to me when I started our coaching business for travel advisors is I wanted African American women to be able to find connection in me. All of my visuals, and it's not to say that I don't work with non-African American people. I do. I work with anybody, right? But my vision was to create and to attract minority women, because particularly in this industry, there's not a lot of faces in there. We're recruited, right? African American minority women are recruited heavily into this business, but there isn't a visual representation in the industry for minorities, even in their marketing materials. So my visual identity was to align. I wanted them to see a brown face. I wanted you to see that in my marketing imagery, right? Same thing for you. If you're working with a particular type of client, what does your marketing represent? That's what branding is about, is making sure that you connect to your client in a visual contextual way, along with your words and also along with the vision for your business. The content that you release needs to be related.